Hello and welcome back to Loaves and Dishes. Today we are going to be making cold brew. I don't know if you've been to Starbucks lately, but a cold brew, like a medium-sized cold brew, is like $7. It's outrageous, and especially when you can make it at home for like 60 cents a serving. And it doesn't really require any kind of special ingredients or tools. If you are a coffee drinker, you probably already have these items in your kitchen. You're gonna need some coffee filters, a jar, something to put the cold brew in, and you're gonna need a coffee grinder. And that's really it. So let's make cold brew. I am going to let this sit in my fridge for about 12 hours. If you were gonna do this, you'd probably wanna make it, at nighttime, like when you're getting ready for bed. That way in the morning, you can just strain it and you'll have cold brew. And once this is done cold brewing, I will show you what it looks like. This is super simple because all you really need to do is do a really coarse grind. Because if you do a fine grind, or if you grind it too much, for cold brew, it can kind of make the coffee bitter. So you just want to pulse it a couple of times to get most of the beans just like kind of chopped up a little bit. I don't know if you can kind of see. Maybe you can see, there's some pretty big chunks of bean in there. And once this is steeped for 12 hours, you'll just strain it and then it'll keep in your fridge for about a week. After about a week, you want to keep checking on it to make sure that it's still good and make sure it doesn't smell off or anything like that. But yeah, so I'll be back once this is done steeping or brewing. It's kind of steeping. It's kind of like tea, but you brew coffee.